One of the fun things about this 36-inch refrigerator with bottom-out freezer is the freezer. It is like all of our drawers, soft close. This drawer is nice and deep. You'll notice that it is all stainless steel, like everything. It's 300 series stainless steel inside and out. The scoop hangs on a handy hook, so when you open up the top drawer to access the ice, you just scoop right in, and then you hang it back up here so you don't have to worry about germs. The ice that it makes is a nice pyramid shape. We call it a prism ice. It's beautiful, and it makes about 3 pounds of ice per day. Even though this top drawer looks like it might be a little bit shallow, you still have about this much space, about 6 or 7 inches altogether of height between where the drawer shuts and the bottom of the unit. And then you have a nice deep drawer, as I said, here in the bottom. If you want to experience true luxury residential refrigeration in person, please join us at any of Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center's beautiful showroom locations in Calabasas, Studio City, South Coast Plaza, Costa Mesa, and here in Torrance, California. Thank you so much.